morning, kids! Our topic for today is identifying, reading, and writing unit fractions. Our objective is, at the end of the discussion, the students will be able to read and write unit fractions. Before we proceed in our lesson, what is our topic in last discussion? Very good! It is all about subtraction. So kindly answer the following question if you remember this process. The first one is, Nena selling her 98 balloons and she sold 50 pieces of the balloons. How many is the remaining balloon of Nena's need to sell? Very good! The answer is 48. So 98 minus 50 is 48. Number 2. The mother of Lina gave her 100 pesos to buy bread together with her cousin Anna because they were hungry for a long time of doing their studies. So she pays the total of 30 pesos at the store. How much will Lina's exchange? Yes, very good. It is 70 pesos. So 100 minus 30 equals 70. So the last one is Manang Cora made 48 cookies and her children ate 18 pieces of it. How many cookies are left? Very good! It is 30 pieces of cookies. So 48 minus 18 is equals to 30. So let's proceed on our discussion. Let's take a look at this pizza from Mother Marites. So this one is for 3 parts. We write this in 1/3. And we read this at 1/3. So every 1/3 is for her son. So next, this one is for the 4 parts. We write this in 1/4 and we read this in 1/4. Every 1/4 is for each her daughter. Next is, this one is for 8 parts. We write this in 1/8 and we read this in 1/8. So every 1/8 is for her each nephew. Now, we compare which one of her daughter or son who gets the big part of pizza. So the 1/3 is for her son and the 1/4 is for her daughter. So her daughter got more shares than her son. We use the greater than symbols when we compare more than the other. So next, we compare which one of her son and her nephew who gets the big part of pizza. So her son got 1/3 of slice of pizza and her nephew have a 1/8 of pizza. We will use here the less than symbol if it is less than to what we compare. Remember kids, when we compare equal numbers, the sign or symbol we use is the equal sign. For example, 1/4 and 1/4, so it is equal. Now, let's arrange them in order from the smaller to bigger shares of the pizza. The 1/3, 1/4, and 1/8. So next, let's arrange them in order from bigger to smaller shares of pizza. The 1/8, 1/4, and 1. Remember kids, when we arrange the unit fraction, it will start in the bigger to smaller and it will have bigger denominator. And when we arrange the unit fraction from smaller to bigger with the higher denominator, it will be the smaller. So next, let's have the activity. Answer the following shapes with shades and compare it using symbols which is less than, greater than, and equals. So the number 1 is, and the number 2, the number 3, and the next one, and the last one is number 5. So for your assignment for today, arrange the unit fraction given below. Letter A, start in smaller to bigger number. The number 1 is 1/3, 1/8, and 1/6. The number 2 is 1/5, 1/4, and 1/7. The next is 1/9, 1/2, and 1/10. The letter B is starts in bigger to smaller. 4 is 1/4, 1/5, and 1/3. The last one is 1/9, 1/6, and 1/7. So that's all for today. I hope you learned a lot in our topic. Thank you for listening.